Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming with another video about mental health because mental health is important as well as our physical health, so we need to focus on mental health also. So guys, we are talking about mental health as our today's topic. So let's start. So guys, we have to know what is mental health. Mental health is a state of mind where our emotion, behave and reactions against instant and long activities. And what is our mental illness? While somebody's emotions, behave or reactions not in control, thinking over and over, behavioral abnormalities found in action, we consider as it mentally illness. So we are talking about the causes of mental illness, and the first point is biological cause, that is shortage of dopamine, serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain. And the second is psychological cause. There is a heavy stress, unexpected incident, accident, job pressure, breakup, divorce, emotional torture, etc. is the psychological cause of mental illness. And what is the physical cause of mental illness? There is a suffering from long painful disease, morbid obesity, which is out of control, and long-term diabetic or any non-curable diseases are the physical cause of mental illness. So guys, at first we must to identify that symptoms of mental illness, and I am going to share with you some symptoms of mental illness. Number 1, eating or sleeping too much or too little. Second, pulling away from people, usual activities. Third, feeling numb and having less energy. Fourth, having unexplained aches and pains. Number 5, feeling helpless and hopeless. 6, smoking, drinking more than usual or using drugs. 7th, feeling unusually confused, forgetful, on edge and angry, upset, worried, scared, etc. Or you may expressing several mood swings that causes problems in relationship. To know that how to overcome from the mental disorder, so I share with you how to overcome from mental disorder. The first is biochemical hormonal balancing treatment and antidepressant drug or medicine. The second is psychological brain relaxation medicine and meditation. Counseling with the medicine with the best way to recover from the psychiatric disorders. And the third is before start above 2 processes, the first one, the second, we need to do improve physical dysfunction and deficiency first, and the second is changing diet, regular cardio exercise, reduce excesses body fat, yoga, laughter therapy and regular motivational speech may help to overcome very easily.
Dear friends, I request to you, don't take any wrong decision during your depression or mental illness, because death is a permanent solution for a temporary problem, and this problem you should have to recover. You are unbelievable and you are the fighter. Thanks for watching. May God bless you. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for latest updated.